Now and again, just have a look to see if there's any difference in the way the hammock looks. You'll see it. If there's any ladders or if there's any clumping or thinning, you'll see it. Because mine feels weird at times. I think it's just because of the hang. Having like your jumper at that end instead of this end can make a massive difference to how it feels. But that looks perfect. Also check these bits. The hammock is basically a rectangle. You take out your underwire bra, you undo this bit, and it's basically a big rectangle that's gathered in one place at the end. And you can see if it's actually coming loose, or if it's coming threaded, or if it's coming weak. So every now and again, just give it a check, and that's fine. I was concerned because it's a cheap hammock. It's a fucking gorgeous hammock, but it's cheap. I got two of them. I got one, and the first one died. It was my fault. I parked it on rocks like this, but it was too low down, and I had the burger inside the hammock, all the way right down one end, and it basically sliced itself open on the rocks. 3 o'clock in the morning, I got kicked out first night. But I got another one, exactly the same. First one was 28, this one was 29 quid, with the little tarp on top. And yeah, even if this were to break, I get another one the same, because it is a brilliant hammock. The standard hammock size, from what I can see, is 2.4 meters. This one is 3. That's from stem to stern. This one's 3 meters. It's a class of a 2-person hammock, so it's double the width of what I think is double the width of the other ones. And it's got a load bearing of, it contradicted itself in the description, basically double what I weigh. I think it's something like 240 kilos. Between 240 and 300 kilos it can supposedly hold. I'm 105. So yeah, I'm just now and again, just check to make sure the stitching's okay. Check these things just in case. I never have this on the very final loop because there's different loops going up. If that one breaks, you're fucked, you're on the ground. If that one breaks, it catches on the next one. So always give yourself that one loop as an extra, as like a safety thing. Fire is now completely out. Me little bag of rubbish for next time. Cardboard going to go in that hole with me little blowpipe. And I'm actually got my jacket off because I'm starting to sweat. It's not hot or warm, it's humid. I'm looking down through there, and yeah, my eyesight's crap, but that's foggy as hell down in the valley. Really foggy. And I can feel the humidity soaking into me. But luckily, that shirt is what I wore up yesterday, so that's dry. And yeah, so I've got a spare shirt that's dry I can always change into if I get too damp on the way down. And shitty fucking music. I wouldn't see. The thing is, if you put on your own music, I got like 2 gig on my phone of music. It's predictable because it's your music. Whereas the radio, it's nice having unpredictability sometimes. Right, so enough bracketing. I've emptied the hammock out of all the bits and pieces that dropped in there, twigs and whatever, dead squirrels. That wasn't me. And I really do need to knock off that branch because that one's dead. I mean, if it drops off, it's not going to hit me, but I should really smack that one off. There's nothing else dead above me that I can see because there are a few little twiggy bits, nothing major. But yeah, right, okay, home time.